Hi, Daniel Parsons. Really excited. The 17th of June, 2025. I want to quickly go on screen share and share some information with you. I just recently returned from visiting in Hermosillo, Mexico, where Vital Health Global is located. And I had to put on covers on my shoes. I had to put on a face mask, had to put on a hairnet and a helmet just to go and tour the facilities, the laboratory where these wonderful vital health products are made. And the company owns the whole entire process. They own the laboratories, they own the warehouses, they own the everything involved with this company. So I want to go off screen share here and I want to read something to you. Let's go back on over here and let's share the screen again, entire screen. Hit share. Now let's go over here to WordPress. And so, rooted in real results. Recently, we got to visit the clinic of our formulator and co founder, the one behind the adaptogenic formulas that are changing lives around the world. Unlike companies chasing trends or hiring labs to guess what might work, our roots are in real results at a clinical level. Every product is crafted with purpose, tested in real life, and built to create lasting transformation, not just temporary fixes. And because we own our manufacturing, we're able to offer these life-changing wellness solutions for as low as $5 per product. That means affordable, holistic wellness is no longer a luxury. It's a lifestyle people can actually sustain. The world is shifting. People are tired of masking symptoms and ready to heal from within. And we're here for them. Open in Canada, USA, and Mexico, and expanding into Central and South America soon. Call me at area code 360-383-0265 if you have any questions about a Vital Health product or about the income you can earn as an independent Vital Health affiliate like me. You're also invited to our call on Wednesday evenings to win free Vital Health products. So my shop is shop.vitalhealthglobal.com/heal with Daniel. My username is Heal with Daniel. And so my name is Daniel Parsons. And so let me show you here. This is a home run product. This is the v-nitro. It's a nitric oxide, which gives you mental alertness, mental clarity all through the day. On my wall clock back there, you can see that it's 10 minutes before 5. Obviously, in the evening, I wouldn't be shooting video in the morning at that time. And so I have mental clarity. I still have mental focus. This product amplifies all the nutrients that you're taking into your body through the foods that you're eating and any supplementation that you're taking. And so I know from the scanner that the naturopathic physician, medical herbalist, Dr. Tony Rodriguez, he's one of the founders. He developed a scanner where you just put it on your finger, similar to when a nurse is taking your oxygen at a medical clinic. Okay. That scanner analyzes 45 functions of your body. And guess what it told me? I'm low in selenium. And so when people tell me that they don't need supplements, they eat healthy food. Yes, I eat one of the healthiest diets in the world, but here's the problem. I eat Brazil nuts just to deal with making sure I get selenium, and I have them every single morning that I'm in North America. And so I'm low on selenium, and Brazil nuts contain selenium. So there's a problem with where these Brazil nuts are grown, their nutrition coming up through the roots. And so that right there tells me that I need nutrition. And so I've given you my phone number. You can also find our Telegram group, Wellness Superfood. And so that's going to be it for this video. I'm really excited about helping many people with their nutritional needs. Vital Health is a holistic wellness company. These products are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, or prevent any disease or illness. Check with your medical provider whenever you're making any changes to your health regimen or for any health questions that you may have. And so I'm really excited about Vital Health Global. And so you can call me and I'll tell you which is the best link for you to come on board and sign up and join us. That's it for this video update. Daniel Parsons signing off from Washington State on 17th of June. Bye for now.